Although, again, our radar is showing the cell more up here. So, again, the radar, that data is probably coming from Jackson.
That's coming from Jackson,
Yeah, so here, this is our live.
Yes.
So, again, here we go. There's your notching. There is the attempting of trying to develop what we're showing you earlier, also how that has the first leg downdraft coming into it. So that is an area that we were looking at. Go back over to the warning so that cleans itself up. Thank you. Got it?
Yes.
Let's take a look at it.
My Max 2.
All right, this is our live weather bug camera from Mount Sterling. Okay, we're at 20 after 7, so we are getting into the evening here. So, okay, you can see scud clouds here. Scud coming over. You've got the traffic moving along I-64. Obviously, it's raining. Heavy sheets of rain as you're looking off more to the east here. But again, you've got the scud and the base of the clouds looking right there. So an interesting picture. That should be coming, if we're looking at this right, this should be coming pretty close to right over the top. So we'll keep an eye on that. If anything